I can still recall last summer. I still see it all. Walks along the Seine, laughing in the rain.
We were very lucky because there were so few tourists there, so we almost had the entire plateau to ourselves with perfect weather. And you launch your drone, you're just gonna get some spectacular, beautiful footage.
Hva gjør du nå da? For noen idioter.
My real name is Rune.
I'm Ole Martin.
But you can just call me Epicish Movies.
My name is, call name is Prangis.
While my friend Prangis is planning the trips. I do the filmmaking.
Why do you think you don't get any likes or subscribers on your channels and your videos?
That's what I'm known for.
Fy faen, det har vært helvete.
When you live in the southern parts of Norway, like we do, the fastest way to get to Norkapp is actually by driving through Sweden and Finland. It took like 4 days, 3 nights, 4 days or something like that to reach the Norkapp.
If you're smart, you take the plane from the Gardermoen and up to the Tromsø or Kautokeino or Lakselv. Nå er vi så heldige at vi er ved Haparanda Watertower. Så jeg skal google litt etterpå.
Det er bra.
Ja. Så har vi bobilen her.
Det er bobil.
Så vi får Hassan pizza i
Bobil-helvete.
Haparanda. Er vi ny producer here? Anyway.
Who is Emily?
Emily is my former girlfriend, and she was with us all through the travel in the north of Norway.
We had some trouble crossing the Finnish border up in Haparanda.
Then the idiot Rune gets stuck in the custom because he had taken so much tobacco with this.
So yeah, not.
We get stopped in the custom due to the corona situation. The Finnish border was in practical closed down, and they just sent us back to Sweden.
So we had to do like a detour.
Yeah, we have to take some other plans in action.
We managed to cross into Finland at a different place, a much smaller border station.
Where we met a couple of good Finnish custom officers. They just laugh and wave us through the check.
We got in on a road that took us to Kautokeino, where we spent the night.
Where it's going on?
I have to put more wood in the fireplace.
Huh?
It's not.
Fuck!
It's not the. It's not the correct lightning.
Faen, altså. I'm melting!
We are both Norwegian. Why are we speaking English to each other?
Maybe I have to send that question to you, because I only put here to ask some questions and tell about a kind of road trip, and I have to speak English, but I think it's the main reason is that Epicish is going international.
Hvem sang er det du tenker på?
Nå tenker jeg på Karasjok og Kautokeino. Skulle ikke vi snakke engelsk?
litt fra og til, ja. Hvor er vi, ja?
Engelsk eller norsk?
Engelsk. Nei, norsk kan vi ta.
Ja, nå er vi i Karasjok.
I thought the towns of Kautokeino and Karasjok was a little bit bigger, but I have big respect for the native people living in Norway. As we call them samer, and the Norwegian government and maybe the Norwegian people haven't always been too good to them. So I have a lot of respect of the native people, and they live in Norway for thousands of years and still living. So I'm impressed of the Kautokeino and Karasjok and the way they live up there.
The name here is Porsangerfjorden. Some Russians have been here with some submarines during the Cold War, but jeg skal ikke snakke så mye.
Do you think anyone is going to bother to press that like button on this video?
Why should anyone push the like button on this video you try to push out? No, unfortunately I don't think so.
Hva driver du med nå? The road leading out to the North Cape is perhaps one of the more beautiful things about going to the North Cape. It's a spectacular road, very scenic.
But the bad thing was
actually the entrance fee to the area of the North Cape plateau.
because
Norwegian nature is free for everyone, but apparently that's not the case for going to the North Cape plateau. They have like a totally insane entrance fee
on a plateau where you can probably park 10,000 cars.
Although I have heard that there are some changes coming to that, but hopefully in the future they remove these ridiculous fees.
On behalf of Norway, I will apologize to the international tourists who come to Norway. They'll have to pay for that insane shit.
You need some facts about the Northern Cape. This statue is raised by the King Oscar II with the Union Norwegian Sweden in 1873.
Boring.
The best thing was, I think it was the spectacular views up there.
We were lucky because there were so few tourists there, so we almost had the entire plateau to ourselves. Combine the North Cape with perfect weather, and you launch your drone. You're just gonna get some spectacular, beautiful footage. But do you think anyone is going to subscribe to the Epicish movie channel?
Maybe someone would like to see the northern part of Norway and you get some subscribers because of that, but I don't think so. The worst part is the problems you get with your stomach after eating corn. The toilet smells like hell was the totally worst part.
So Prangis, one of my concerns was that I didn't want to empty the toilet.
No, but you love to shit in it. You son of a bitch. Why do you always eat corns? It's corn everywhere. Oh, den er full. It's full. Is this a kind of prank? I emptied it yesterday.